Guys, we are on our way to Kananakaw Falls ba to di?
Tatakaw.
Tatakaw di ay. Kating. Hi guys, another mountain day. It's a bit cloudy today, guys. And we're gonna go to Banff. On the way to Banff. There you go. More mountains at Catcher. There you go, guys. We are in the tunnel. And look at this view. Lots of cars. It's weekend. It's normal, guys, here in Banff in Alberta. There you go. So I'll make this closer, guys. More siya na cave. Yan. There you go. Look at that mountain. Rocky Mountain. There you go. Alright. So in the other side, guys. This is the view. There you go. So another lake, guys. Look at this view. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, daming nagpa-picture. You can stop there and then take some photo. Ayan. Guys, these are the mountains in Canmore, guys. That's the view. Okay. There you go. Kaning a view, guys. Muna view sa kong banan eh. Oh, look at that. So yung ani ka busy, guys, pag weekend maka-line up siya, guys. Kung wala kang 1-year pass, you have to pay before ka mo enter sa Banff. So yan. Guys, we're in the park pass, but this week, guys, it's free entrance sa national park. So here you go. Look at this. It's so nice. That's beautiful mountains. Look at the scenery here. So relaxing, guys. Look at this mountain, guys. Mura siya o castle sa top sa mountain. Amazing. Look at this mountain, guys. Para siyang spiral mountain. Very cool. Very cool. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This mountains, guys, looks very amazing. Oh my. Is the Winslow River. Another mountain. This one, guys, it's like a red rock. Yeah. There you go, guys. Look at this. So pretty. Oh my goodness. May little snow pa siya up there. Parang British Columbia na yan, guys. So there you go. Wow. Crazy. There you go. This mountain, guys. It's like a red rock mountain. May different color siya. Different dimension. Look at this. Nice. Look at this, guys. Very nice. It's like a wildflower. Pero kuan na rin ni siya.
Sagbot.
Sagbot sa bukid.
Sagbot diri kuan. Pindot kayo.
Pindot kayo siya. Mura siya kuan real food. Oh my. Amazing. So pretty in person, guys. Oh, look at that bridge. Yan. There's more. Wait and see. So we are in Lake Louise in 2 kilometers, guys. Look at this. Oh my, Allah, this is so pretty. Look, it's a mountain full of sagot flower, wildflower, guys. So pretty. Look, oh, yellow mountain. Oh my goodness, I love this, guys. More colors. Overreaction again. Very nice yun siya. Oh, nice location and oh my. Look at this. Okay. Okay, look at the view, guys. Oh. Oh, wala na. Ay, napadiay na. Look at this mountain again. So deep there, guys. Oh. Urag diri maguro tong spiral tunnel. Dito siya nga side, guys, ang spiral tunnel. Very nice.
Ikaw nag-post dito na posting ka.
Gani. Spiral tunnels.
Spiral tunnel mo na.
Ito ay dami siguro. Asa ka dapit? Nita ta diri, guys, asa spiral tunnel. Na siguro ipan diri ka ng high kananan. Aw mo din nilang tan-awon diri, mag-hike pa manggug ka, oh.
Oh, spiral tunnel diha sa ubos.
Oh, tanaw view ka. Na ay tourist bus. Aw dira, oh. Na dito, oh. Ilang picture. Very nice. This mountain, guys, oh, napay snow gamay. Summer, pero napay siya snow gamay. Look at this mountain. This is so pretty, guys. Wait, kay napay kuan kaning trees. So as you can see, guys, na siya train. Dito na siya agi sa spiral tunnel. Okay. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, niagi mi diri sa bridge, small bridge, guys. So, then nasa may mga lodge, mountain lodging kanino. Asan tatakaw? Basa ka di asan tatakaw? Tatakaw. Muna na siya. Nara, guys, oh, Tatakaw Falls. Ayan. There you go, guys. Another bridge. Ooh, right. So another suba here, guys. The water is color milk. It's milky. I really love this Rocky Mountain, guys. So relaxing, very nice. Yes, look at this road, guys, beside the river. Mana silang tanah. Oh, nice. Ang tato dito. Look at that view, oh. Very nice view, oh. Kahadlok diri, guys, oh. Ako may kuan diri, oh. Gusto man din taasa. Oh my God, look at that, oh. The road.
Pwede ni. Kung man, gamay naman daan. Ano dito?
Makulbaan man sa tadari guys, ay. Oh my God.
Kasi dugtak diri.
Di nag-tracking gani na siya, oh.
Okay. Hindi ka kimayo.
Look at this guys, oh. Oh my. So pretty. So here you go guys. Here's the Tatakaw Falls. We're gonna go for a short walk and go closer. Here you go. Here you go. As you can see, that's the Tatakaw Falls. So yan guys, oh my goodness, looks amazing. Oh my, amazing. Wow. So that's crazy. The fall's getting stronger. Look at this falls guys. We are here but we have to walk a little bit to see closer. And we're gonna cross this bridge. So here you go guys, more. Wow. Wow, that's grabe ka nice, oh. Very nice.
कोई मतलब नहीं कभी देखा
Here.
얼마?
Wow. Dari tadi no, boss? A picture. So, we'll see here, guys. Sus. Wow! That's breathtaking, guys. Worth it ang pag-ari. Okay? Okay po. Wow. Very nice. Hi there. So guys, very messy. You need raincoat here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Amazing. Hello everybody. So here reporting Murphy in Tatakaw Falls. So messy guys. Tunit ka og raincoat. Say hi Dick. So mara to guys, para ni akong report today. That's the falls. So guys, mao ni ang color niya. Ayan. And then look at so messy from the falls. Okay. And then some people going up high, but that's dangerous to go up. See? Can you see them?
Hey.
Woo, very cold guys. Same. Oh my god! Hello everybody! So naan ako sa top. Pero di mo na ni last na ano na ako. Hotdog na dito sa unahan. And it's very good. So behind the falls guys, mo ni view. Mo ni siya view guys. Behind the falls. There you go. There you go. 360. Alright, there you go. Perfect. Dani, mga lusot rin siya. Wow. Look at this nature, guys. Very nice. Nature. Heidi, you're adventurous now. Finally. Nice dito dito na ondio. Woo!
Takakaw Falls, kaya pa uli, Takapoy Falls.
Kapoy yun. Takapoy. No, I think this is relaxing siya. Ini. Gaan kita dani kinanya bear. Hi everybody. So guys, now go side sa river. As you can see, milky ang iyang color. And here's the bridge, lots of people. Tanaw na to nga side diri guys. Ayaw. Oh my goodness. This is so nice. So, alright, bye.